Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Pag-uusapan natin kasi I just discovered ito, SEO score. I'm using tubebuddy. Ayan, naka-tubebuddy po ako. At gusto ko ma-perfect yung score nitong sinasabing SEO. Ano po yung SEO? Ni-research ko, ayan siya. SEO, Search Engine Optimization. Ayan, SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization in simple terms. It means the process of improving your site to increase its visibility when people search for products or services related to your business in Google, Bing, and other search engines. The better visibility your pages have in search results, the more likely you are to garner attention and attract prospective and existing customers to your business. So that's it. Niligay ko yun dito para mas malaki. Where is it? Let me share. Yan, it is this one. Kita ba? Yun. Search Engine Optimization. So, ang ipapakita ko ngayon, yan. So, kailangan ma-perfect yung SEO. Na-perfect ko lang, tsaka pinerfect ko lang. Medyo challenge lang, nakakatuwa lang siyang challenge na pa-perfect yung nasusulat doon sa sinasabing SEO, which is Search Engine Optimization. Yeah, optimize na maging searchable ka. Madaling makita yung iyong product or channel. Sa atin naman, dito naman sa YouTube, yung ating video. So that's why na-challenge ako na gawin to. Shout out kay Mayora, naka-ano ka sa kanya, naka-BG. So it is SEO optimization. Yung tags ko 2020, title 2020, tags and description 20 of 20, total tag at title, words and description 2020 at yun ang ginawan ko ng paraan para ma-perfect ko yun. Diyos. Ayan. Ito, yung best practices din. Ginawan ko siya ng paraan. Ginawa ng paraan eh. Tinry ko na gawin itong lahat na to. Ayan. So, that's it. Meron siyang mga tags. Yan, mga tags na yan. And then, these best practices na sinasabi. Ano yung... Where is it? Ito yung sinasabi, chapters added. Meron akong chapters, comment hearted, nag-heart na yung comment, hinart ko na yung mga comment nila. Liked on Facebook, na-like na to sa Facebook, comment pin, nakapin na yung isang comment. High resolution thumbnail, meron na. Info cards added, end screen added. Captions added. Chapters added. Ano yung sinasabi nating chapters? Ito yun, no? Ito yung chapters. Ayan. Paano nagawa itong chapters? Yeah. So, dito, sa video details, makikita siya. You can see that. Ito yung chapters. 00, intro. Yung mga ginawa ko na may time. Yan. Nag-start sa 00. So, pag na-click, na-hover mo yung mouse doon, ito, itutok mo to dito. Ayan. 00, preview. Ayan, intro. And the next song, next na laman. Ayan. So, this is, these portions. Ito yung mga tinatawag na chapters. Pwede naman kasi auto chapters. Pwede siyang i-check dito kasi, ayan, for videos. Mahaba ang video ko kaya pwedeng i-check ito, automatic chapters. Chapters can make your video easier to watch. You can override automatic chapters anytime by creating your own chapters in the video description. Ayun ang ginawa ko. Ito yung tinuturo nila. Where is it? Ayan, let's see. Mayroong tutorial naman dito. So, just an example sa ginawa ko yun. Sign in to your YouTube on the computer, edit video, and make sure the first time stamp is 0, 0, ayan. And then sunod-sunod na. Your video should have at least 3 timestamps listed in ascending order. The minimum length for video chapters is 10 second. Dapat mahaba, 10 second or more. And then how to use video chapters automatic. Sign into your YouTube studio and your computer. Go to the video you want to edit. Select edit video. Under the video, yon. Show more, 'di ba? Ito yung ginawa ko. So, asa na siya? Yun ang ginawa natin. Kasi nag-show more ako. Show more. Show more. Show less na ngayon. Show more kasi dito makikita yung paid promotion kung meron. And then automatic chapters. And then ito yung tags. Yan. Sa YouTube, tubebuddy, merong mga ganitong lumalabas. So, mag-experiment ka ng keyword. Kagaya nito, may keywords na ako dito. May suggested keywords. Kung relevant siya sa video, pwede mong i-click yung plus para ma-add-on. Yun. Keyword Explorer. Magta-type ka. Ito yon. Tinype ko yung mga keyword dun sa Keyword Explorer. Ito yun. Number 1 siya. Mataas ang rating niya dito sa fun bunny karaoke singing concert sa bahay. Kaya ginawa ko siyang title. And then itong mga to, may mga numbers. Ibig sabihin, maganda yung standing nila sa search. And ano pa ba? Allow people to sample content. I allow people to create shorts using parts of this video. Turning this off will permanently delete all short sampling its content. Not all videos can opt out. Okay lang sa akin kahit pwede naman, kumbaga yun, gawa ng reaction. Okay lang yun. Reaction na din tanado si host. And then category, people in vlogs. Sa akin kasi gusto ko yung how to eh. How to ako, how to. Kasi how to sing. How to end style eh. That's my style. That's my singing style. Oh. Yan. I allow chat replay. Kailangan i-check natin ito every time na meron tayong premiere. Check. Minsan kasi naka-uncheck siya. By default, naka-uncheck. Ewan ko bakit ganon. So, check yan. Auto chat replay. Enable yan. And then, if you want, during that, kung sino ang pwedeng mag-message, anyone, subscribers or members, and pwedeng mag-chat delay, message delay during the premiere. Pwedeng slow mode. Anyway, tapos naman na siya. Okay, and then allow all comments. Pwede naman nating, look at this. Napunta na tayo dito. Anyway, ayan. Allow all comments, hold potentially inappropriate comments for review. Minsan ako ganito, hold. Ginaganyan ko yan, hold. Kasi merong minsan na inappropriate. Okay. So, yun lang po. Save ko na to. I'm just showing those things na nakita ko dito. Which is, malaking tulong naman kahit paano siguro may tulong kasi ito, marami na ring nag-view. Yung premiere nito, 34. Ngayon may plus 9. And pinedit-edit ko siya para mapuno yung 100%. Yon. So that's what I want to share. These so-called chapters. Yung chapters na ito na ipinakita ko kanina nandito sa tutorial na rin, YouTube tutorial. For more info, pwede nyong i-check na lang dito yon. And ito yung aking ginawa. May sample. Marami naman. Maraming mga videos nito. Ayan na, video chapters. Alright, so that's all for now. I hope I was able to share something and you learned something from this video. Natuwa lang ako about the chapters kasi I need it. Maybe we all need it. Kagaya nito na kailangan, kung may mga kanta ka, or mga portion na kailangan talagang pwedeng i-review, ma-re-review at madaling makita. Yan ang purpose ng paglagay ng chapters. So this, ilang chapters to, ayan. So, yan, madali lang. Pag-hover pag-point ng mouse, point mo doon. Kung ano yung gusto mong panoodin, doon mo, i-point mo lang, and then, yun ang i-click mo, and then, yun na yung magpe-play. Like this one. Kunwari, ay may ads, sorry. Sorry. Ads in 5. Ayoko na mag-ads. Alright. Okay, so that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, this is Luvlines. Have a good day and God bless. Yeah. Good practice. Pag tayo ay, of course, YouTuber ka na, monetize na tayo, kailangan na nating i-work out kung paano mabilis na makita yung ating mga video, ang ating mga content. At least, di ba? So, this is another technique. Yung ginagamit ko today is YouTube body na nakikita ko dito naman, sabi niya, best practice daw. At nakaputi naman to, ay nakaputi. Yes, check sila lahat. Kasi if your content, asa na nga ba yung iba? I'll just give a sample. Lilipat ko muna tong fan banding na to. Kaya may chapters, yung iba wala. Let me see other videos. Ayan. Yan ang tubebuddy ko nasa ano ko na. Ayun. I just want to share that. Tubebuddy for optimization ng ating mga content. Search engine optimization. Yun. Para madali tayong ma-search. Which one is, tingnan ko muna to. Diba yung isa, lahat yun naka-check, lahat nakaputi. But this one, let's check. Sample lang po. Sample lang. Ala, biglang nagpahabol. Sample. Sample if this one has no, let me see. Okay, ito. 0 ang score. Wala pa siyang score. Oh. Oops, 95 ang score niya. Alright. 95 ang score niya. May kulang siya. Ano ang kaya ang kulang? Info cards, wala siyang info cards. Hindi siya pa na-like sa Facebook. Wala pa siyang chapters. And 95 siya kasi kulang siya ng title, tags in the title and description. Nakakatuwa na ma-100% mo to. Ayan. So, that's all lang po. That's all. Ito yung Luvlines live stream. Anyway, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat na pumunta sa aking LS. And thank you so much, everyone. The premiere and this video. Yan, nadagdagan siya ng 9, kaya maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat sa panonood nitong video na to. Thank you for watching. And by the way, andito sa aking channel art yung mga links sa Facebook ko if you want to check my channel. Facebook and Twitch. Sometimes I go to Twitch, sometimes I go to Facebook. And this is the tubebuddy. My link, kung gusto nyong ma-check mismo yung tubebuddy, this is my link para madaling maka-open. Yan. That's the link to the tubebuddy that I am using. At nandito yung analytics. Yan. Ito yung views ko for lifetime. Konti pa. Matagal-tagal pa yata makarating ng 100K. And ito yung, ilang maganda. Nakikita natin dito. Lifetime views. Ilan yung videos. Yan. Ilan ang views for the month, last 30 days, and ilan ang videos ko for this month. Yan, 137 ang naka-upload ko. And then, ito yung channel keywords nakikita. Pag binuksan mo yung channel ng iba, for example, this is example ko muna si Mayora. AGV-TV, shout out. mega shout out. Mega love shout out kay AGV-TV. Yan, puntahan ko si Mayora AGV TV. This is how you do the tube. Yan, di ba? Napakasipag kasi ni AGV TV. Shout out kay Mayora. Ayan, nakikita natin. Ilan ang kanyang videos ngayon? 34. Pero ang views niya, 20K. Lifetime views niya, 214K. Di ba? 572 lang ang videos niya. Pero ako, lampas na. Dahil napakarami niyang views. Ito, itong pula na to, yung kanya. Ang taas. And then yung blue, yung akin. So, worth it. Ang sipag niya kasi. She goes live. She has premieres. She goes live for ilang hours na siya, 11 hours na. Na hindi ko kaya munang gawin kasi maubusan ako ng data. Yan. Anyway, so that's all. Shout out kay Mayora AGB-TV na sample ko yung kanyang channel. Okay, so yun lang po. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat sa panonood and I hope to see you in my list. Yeah. And you can hit this join button sa mga hindi pa members, sa hindi pa subscribers. Yan. You can hit the subscription button, subscribe, and all, notification to all. And you can join kung gusto nyo. Look at this. Nag-promote na. Okay. Look at this. You can join this channel to access the membership. Ayan ang aking video. And ito po yung ipinagmamalaki. Yeah. Super love search ko. Star, 1 star. Yan la. And itong next level and then the next level. It's only 49 pesos a month. And ito yung mga badges. Ito na yung gamit ng badges na ngayon. Pinakamatagal. And then this one. These are the emojis na ako mismo gumawa. Ginamit ko yan sa Canva. Canva ko siya ginawa. Okay, and by the way, you can visit my live stream every day, 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. I extend if needed. I do screen tutorials as needed. Okay. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, this is Luvlines. Have a good day and God bless. Maraming salamat po sa panonood.